Hey, what's up, guys? It's day 17. Today we're going to be learning about we're going to be doing stuff with the sum method. So let's get it. What is sum? The sum method is used with arrays in JavaScript. It checks if at least one element in an array meets a condition. If any element passes the test, it returns true. If none passes, it returns false. Think of it as asking, does at least one item in this array match what I'm looking for? Numbers. Has an even number. Number number uh modulo 2 equals 0. Console.log has even number true. What's happening here? We're having an array 1 3 5 8. Sum goes to each number one by one. It checks, is the number even? When it reaches 8, the condition is true. Sum stops immediately and returns true because at least one even number exists. Another simple example: strings, names. Alice Bob has short name. Names dot sum name the name dot length less than equal to 3. Name dot length less than equal to 3. Console.log has short name. Bob has only 3 letters. Okay. If one name is so if one I know that I've actually watched a video on this already. I know that um if it finds something if this condition is true for any of these elements, it will return true and it will stop right there. So for Alice it's not true because it's 5. For Bob it's true, it's less than or equal to 3, so it will so it will stop and return true. Bob has only 3 letters, so sum returns true. When does sum return false? um yeah, when nothing is true. No even numbers, false. How sum works step by step. Imagine this code. Array sum element condition. Takes the first element, tests uh tests the condition. If true, stops and returns if true, stops and returns true. If false, moves to the next element. If all false, returns false. Real life analogy. Imagine checking a class list. Does any student have glasses? You look at the students one by one. The moment you see one of them with glasses, you stop. Answer yes, true. If anybody has glasses, no, false. If nobody has glasses, some, every. Quick comparison. Okay, method. Meaning some, at least one matches, every almost match. Okay, so I already know how to use this, I think so. Give me some exercises to practice the some methods. Wait for my answer before giving the next exercise. Um, and grade each one of my answers. Use the sum method to check if the array contains at least one number greater than 10. Okay, so we're gonna say console const greater equals numbers dot sum num greater than 10. At least one number great at least one number greater than 10. Okay, so node sum.js. I got a console log greater. Okay, okay, boom. Okay, okay, easy medium. Use sum to check if at least one fruit has more than 5 letters. The 5 letters. 5 letters, 5 letters, 5 letters. Const more than 5 fruits that sum um fruit the length greater than 5 console the log more than 5 or something. Okay, returns true. Yep, because banana, so it's gonna find banana, it's gonna stop. What happened? Okay. Medium, to check if there's at least one adult. Bro, how is this medium? It's the same thing every time. Const contains adult equals ages dot sum age greater than equal to 18 contains, there we go, there we go. Okay, you have this objects of an array of objects task to check if at least one user is an admin. Okay, const contains admin. Let's say contains admin users dot sum user dot is admin. Now contains admin, and it's gonna be true. But now if I do this, it's gonna be false. Yeah, let's bring it back to true. Okay. Grading. Okay. Logic. To check if there's at least one failing score. Okay. Const contains failing score. Scores dot sum score less than score less than 50. Is that it? Less than 50. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's not defined because I changed the name, and yeah. Okay, a very consistent is a great sign. Medium to advanced. To check if the array contains at least one empty string. Okay, const contains empty str words dot sum string is just str the length equals 0. Okay, let's see. Okay, something like this, I think. Okay, we might get done in under 10 minutes. We'll see. Minor typo in the variable name. Typos won't. Why did I mistype? Contains. Oops. Oh, typos, blah blah blah. Okay. Real world style. You have this. Use some to check if there's at least one product that is out of stock. Okay. Product const contains out of stock products some products that it's actually not products that out of Oops. Out. Okay, wait, I gotta see. Ins dot in stock. So this means at least one of them is gonna return true, because at least one is not in stock. Okay. Advanced thinking challenge. Use some to check if at least one email is valid. Shoot. How do you know if an email is valid? Okay, I'm not gonna. How to check if an email is valid in JavaScript. This email, dude. I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna copy valid email pattern tests. Oh, I'm just gonna geeks for the win. Um. So. Okay. Okay. So we got a pattern of tests. Okay, just gonna get this. Just gonna go like this. We're gonna say const contains valid email. Like this, we're gonna do this. Emails. Come on, emails. Dot some email. Parent test email. Okay, let's see. Okay. Can oops. The previous exercise group. Okay, now let's delete all of these valid ones. Let's delete all these valid ones. And now try return false. Okay. 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 This is the last one. Did we get sub 10? No. There's 7. What? That's correct. The task was to check at least one email is invalid. Oh. Okay then. Just this. So like this. Email is invalid. Like, come on, bro. Come on. Advanced final challenge. There's at least one unpaid order with a total greater than 100. Okay. This one is easier. Const and some just orders dot some order uh, at least one unpaid order with a total greater than 100. Order dot or dot paid, so not order paid, and total greater than 100. So it's gonna return false. And this we need as here. What order paid and total? Oops. Ordered total. Ordered total. Okay, false. Okay. Okay, this should be true. Should be correct. Okay, give me that 10. Come on. Okay. Okay, guys. You've now mastered the sum from basic checks to real world scenarios with object conditions. Okay, guys. So that's what, like 14 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Um, Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, follow me. All my links to follow me will be in the description. Twitter, GitHub, Instagram, LinkedIn. Okay, guys, have a nice day or a night or a morning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.